To get the most out of Semrush position tracking, it is essential to understand the key concepts and best practices involved. Position tracking is a feature that allows you to monitor the rankings of your website and your competitors for specific keywords. First, you need to set up a position tracking campaign, which involves selecting the keywords you want to track and the devices you want to track them on. It is crucial to choose relevant and high-volume keywords to get accurate results. You can use the Semrush Keyword Magic tool to find the best keywords for your campaign. Next, you need to set up the competitors you want to track. This can be done by adding the domains of your main competitors to the position tracking campaign. You can also set up the location and language you want to track, which is important if you are targeting a specific geographic region. Once the campaign is set up, you can start tracking the rankings of your website and your competitors. The position tracking tool provides a detailed report of the rankings, including the position, volume, and competition level of each keyword. You can also use the tool to identify gaps in your keyword strategy and opportunities to improve your rankings. To get the most out of the position tracking tool, it is essential to track your keywords regularly and adjust your campaign accordingly. You can use the data from the tool to identify areas for improvement and optimize your website and content to increase your rankings. Best practices for Semrush position tracking include setting up a comprehensive keyword list, tracking your competitors, and regularly reviewing and adjusting your campaign. It is also essential to use the data from the tool to inform your SEO strategy and make data-driven decisions. By following these best practices and using the position tracking tool effectively, you can improve your website's visibility, drive more traffic, and increase your online presence. The key is to use the data from the tool to identify opportunities and make adjustments to your campaign to achieve your SEO goals.